Hello dear children, this video is for the upcoming week, that is a preparatory video. Okay, so first of all I'm going to talking about project work. Students, I have already given the project in school, but students, some of the students have doubt that sir, how can we do that, and in which paper, which kind of paper is there. I'm going to explain you that. For the project, students, you can just see a chart paper is there. One chart paper you can just make a part of 4 like that. This is your chart paper. Suppose this is your chart paper, students, you know that chart paper. Okay, chart sheet, you can just see that. Whenever that means you can just make 4 part of that. 4 part of that. You can just do the project in 4th part, students. You can just share with your friend also. That means what? Not share the project, students. You can just share the page. That means the 4th part of page. And this page, this is the chart page. 1 part, 2nd part, 3rd part, 4th part. 4 students are there. You can just make 4 part and doing the project here also. Suppose this part, I'm going to take this part here like this. This is your part. Okay, this is your part, students. Now, first of all, you can just write here that mathematics project work. Then after name. Okay, then after name, subject is already given, as you know that. Name, and you can just say that roll number. But if you don't have a roll number, it doesn't matter. You can just blank it. Okay, and then after here, marks. You can just make a borderline also, students, like this. Then after you can just make a project. I have already given that one also in school. So this part is there, students. Question number. That means you should write the question number also, students. You should write the question number. It is already given in the school. That means 8.2 exercise question number 1 is there. Among the question number 1, 2 some are there. Question number 2, there are also 2 some. In question number 3, there are also 2 some. You can just manage that one in 6 diagram here. You can just do that. Not only the diagram, you can just solve this. You can just write the answer also. But students, listen to me very carefully. You can just do this project with glitter pen, sketch pen and pencil color also. Do not use the watercolor. Okay, students? So, I gave you yesterday that project, and up to Saturday, you can just submit your project up to Saturday. That means not up to Saturday, you can just make the project and come to me at whatever the Sanjay said that you can just say that on Monday, on Tuesday. No, you can just submit on Saturday only. After that day, we will not receive any kind of project. And before that day, you will not come to us for the submission. Whatever, if you are out of station on that day, whatever is there, then you can just give the completion of that project to your friends. They will submit us. Okay. So now this is talking about the project, students. Now come to the point of today's preparatory video. And this is the planning of upcoming week, students. You can just say that finding percentage of quantity, students. Finding percentage of quantity. We can just see that. Here, suppose finding the value. Suppose you will ask like this. The question is, I'm going to write the question. Find the value like this. Okay. Find the value. Suppose you will give it a 44% of 650 kilometer. Suppose this question is given, students. 44% of 650 kilometers. How will you find? This is the topic of finding a percentage of quantity, students. Finding a percentage of quantity. That means what? 44% of 650 kilometer. Okay. Kilometer is a what is quantity? Quantity. You can just say that unit also. Unit. In previous exercise 8.6, we have already done that one also yesterday, as you know that. So students, 44% of 650 kilometer. As you know that whenever the percentage is given, students, you will given a percentage. You can just divide by 100. You can just divide by 100. If you want to find the percentage, you can just multiply by 100. As you know that. And this is already completed. Okay, now just check it that 44 divided by 100 multiplied by 650. You can just see, students, on the screen 44%. Okay, 44%. So that's why as per the percent is given, I just take 100 as a denominator. Okay, multiply by 650 because of we have to find the percentage of this kilometer, 650 kilometers, students. Now you can just cut it. Okay, I'm going to cut that one also. You can just see that here both the digits are cut. That means zeros are cut. Now what is the remaining part? That is the 44 multiplied by 65 divided by 10. So students, whenever you multiply this one also, 44 multiplied by 65. If you want to cut that one also direct, you can just cut with 2. This is the 10. That means 10 is a even number. Last number is 0. Here also 65. 5 is a odd number. But 5 and 0 both are the divisible. With 5 also, you can just go with that. Otherwise, you can just make a calculation of this one, multiplication. 44 multiplied by 65. Then after you can just put the digit and divide it by 10. You can just put the decimal point. Decimal chapter is already completed in first term. So students, you will given that what is the value of 44%. That means 650 kilometers, 44%. That is what is the value, will be given value. Next one. Students, I just tell you that you should do this type of calculation. That means the multiplication. As you know that I already, that means what? In our class, physical class at school, I told you that you can just make a practice of multiplication because of this chapter. Not only this chapter, students. If you have knowledge of table, as you know that, I told you many times, if you have knowledge of table, you will be able to understand this kind of calculation also. Okay, so you should do this kind of calculation at home also, students. Do more and more practice for multiplication, as you know that. Multiplication is very important. That means multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction also. So, percentage increase, students. Percentage increase. How increase the percentage? You will given a question like this. You will given a question that suppose it may be that these percentage is increase of this one there. Then what is the value of that? Okay, we will see, students. We will see. I'm going to write the question here. If the question is like this, I'm going to write the question, so that's all you understand very well, students. The question is like this: if 2,560 rupees increased by 12%, increased by 12%. Okay, then what is the value? What is the value of that? Increased by 12%. Okay, then you can just see that number is given and percent is also given. As you know that, student, percentage is also given. So first of all, you will go with this also. As you know that 12 divided by 100 multiplied by, for what? For what? 2,560. 2,560, students. As you know the step how to do that. First of all, but students, you can just see that there are many. That means what? Two type of calculation here. We have to find the percentage of 12. Not this is the question. This percentage of 12 is increased. Then what is the value? Then value is increased also, students. Percentage is increased, then value is also increased. But first of all, you have to find the percentage of that number. You have to find the percentage of that number, students. You can just see that. Now, I'm going to cut that one also like this. Suppose it is 6 twos are, as you know that. Here also 5 twos are. If you don't want to this one, you can just say that 256 multiplied by 12. I'm going to directly write the 256 multiplied by 12. You can just see. Then after you get the answer. But if you know the table, if you know the multiplication, okay, as you know that 0, 0, cut. Yes, cut. Now 256 multiplied by 12. I'm going to do that. The answer is 3072 students. 3072. So I'm going to put the answer here. As you know that here 3072. But students, as you know that here what is the real, what is the left? 10. Yes, 10 is here. So as per the decimal concept, students, whenever in the denominator 10, that means a one digit place. That is, you can just see that in the 10, you can just put the one digit place here. 307.2 rupees. 307.2 students. But this is not your answer, students. This is not your answer, because of you will ask that. That means you are asking like this question increased by 12. That means what? 12%. 12% of this number is 307 rupees 0.2. Now you can just add this, because of question is increase. Increase. That means what? Add. You can just add that one. The main. That means what? The given rupees is 2560. You can just add the increase percentage. This is 307.2. Here nothing is that. You can just put the 0. Here you can just add that one also, students. See, 2.7682. Students, your answer is this. Your answer is this. Because of increase, that means what? You have to add. But first of all, you have to find the percentage of that increase. What is the value of that? 12%. What is the value of 12% of 2560? The value of that one is 307.2. This percentage is increase. You have to just add with this. So that's why the answer is 2867.2. You can just add that, because of it is given the increase. Now percentage decrease. Suppose it may be that you will ask that the percentage is decreased by that one. Then you will minus here. If increase, percentage is increased that, students, you can just add here. But percentage is decreased like that, you can just minus from that the given number. So you will get the answer, students. But do not left here. Do not left here that okay, the 12% of this one, and you can just do that perfect answer and left it. No. You can just read the question carefully, and then after you can just add the amount of the given. Then your answer will be right. So students, this is the concept. This is the preparatory video. We will have this kind of topics will be in upcoming week. Okay, and we will have to do the project, students. You should submit on Saturday. Upcoming week on Saturday, you can just submit the project. Okay, students, make the practice of that. Thank you.